along in rural Missouri. We're coming back from a really kick-ass chicken dinner tonight. That's all I love about our city. You can just take 2 minutes down the road and you're out here in the country. I ain't seeing no hawks this time. Usually you see a hawk sitting up on a pole. And if you look at this from Google Maps, this is all strip pit land. It's really amazing over here. It's a bunch of strip pits. Sometimes they fill up full of water. Can't really see nothing here. Let's see, we're just 6 miles outside of town. But it only takes a couple feet and you're into this. Sunflowers, little yellow flowers anyway. They're going to chicken dinners. They're going for chicken dinners. Good fried chicken dinner. Now, strip pit land. Yeah, there's some water there.
See that black box? That's what it is.
Cable box, a little black box there. We know people that do that shit now. There was a nice chemtrail over us as we went out to eat the chicken. It's never good when I see these things. This is a dead cat curve here. You gotta be careful. Babies and kittens jump out. No shit. Yeah, my stepdaughter seen a little boy playing out in the middle of the road one day, going to rifle range, and then me and the old lady had a scare with a baby kitty. It could have been bad. It could have been. I think it used up all 9 lives on that one. Yeah, it's bare. It's dry. And we've had rain. Why don't you slow down? Watch out for cats and babies right here. It's deadly in this place. Yeah, see, they're getting the harvest. You can go there, the rifle range. Leaves are turning a little bit, but not a lot of it yet. The real show won't start till another, what, about 3 weeks? Couple 3 weeks, and then the real fall show will start kicking in. Imagine the mosquitoes that motherfucking lake puts out. Somebody's private shit there must be nice. Oh, they got propane back there, Mel. It can't be all that good. No natural gas for you. Gotta use the propane tank. There we go. Grand River swampland. Ain't too much on the other side. This is where all the water is. For those that didn't know it, if you look at Google Maps, we are totally surrounded by water. I never realized how watery we are. It's like water world down here. Now, Tracker Boats comes from down here because Junior weren't down there and he quit for a better job. Magic Mel tells me they're laying off left and right, but here's the thing, they still tying in with NASCAR. There's the Grand River. Some water and shit. Army Corps of Engineers and Missouri Conservation owns all this shit in here. All swamps. Bet you we'd find some snakes down in there. Find me a nice copperhead, a timber rattler, big old venomous snake full of fangs and juice. Oh yeah, Mel says water moccasins. Got to get a cottonmouth. Hell yeah. Yeah, that's all prime snake country down in there, amigos. There's the water for the water moccasins. So we're thinking now that maybe they've put gators out in the lake. Well, yeah, why not? I think if they put gators in the Rio Grande, it would stop the Mexican problem on the border. So yeah, it's all marshland through here. Used to be places to pull off at one time to go fishing. Woods and swamps, woods and swamps, woods and swamps, and then some rich folk. Alright, I'm gonna kill the video here, you get the idea. A little rural excursion for you fucking city slickers. Don't trespass and deer hunt here.